Hello, Elliot Ash here, and I'm going to do a average 5 on my 5x5 for my Saturday video. This is it's a Cubicle Labs. The Cubicle Labs, wow, say the name of the frickin' puzzle, man. Cubicle Labs WuShuang M. Also, I believe I am scrambling this in the wrong notation, and if I am, my bad. I'm not going to restart the video for something this petty, though. I think I'm scrambling with, like, red in front? I don't know, I'm too busy watching the scramble, and yeah, I did it with red in front. Oh well, it's the same exact scramble, just different colors. Different colors in different locations. Okay. Probably going to start with the yellow center? I think I'll start with that. There we go. 2 centers done. We move on to orange center. And the last 2 centers simultaneously. Now to solve a 5x5 is much like a 4x4, just a little bit bigger. And actually, I find it to be a little more enjoyable and actually easier than the 4x4. With this, the 5x5 has defined centers, the 4x4 does not. So that eliminates PLO parity, which can slow your solve down. But with the fixed centers, this isn't this isn't there. So that actually makes the 5x5 easier than the 4x4. It may take a little bit longer, but it's actually quite easier. You still get parity like I just got right now, and I'm fixing that, but that's the only parity you'll get, is technically OLL parity, but at this point it's not really recognized as OLL parity. It's really just parity. Sometimes you have to do it, and I got an R perm that I don't know. But yep, that's kind of a run through of a 5x5 solve. Got a 157.08. Now this cube is actually like fantastic. It's dropped my PB average by, I don't know, 10, at least 10 seconds. At least 10. I don't know what my PB average was before I got this, but I do know that my PB average of 5 now is actually faster than my PB single with my old stickerless WuShuang 5x5, which is right here, which is still a really good 5x5, except it's not magnetized. Alright, now I'm scramble this with the right notation. Here we go. Might do blue center. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go with blue. Now we're gonna go to the green center, which is actually quite easy. Here we go, and now we're gonna do yellow. Yellow's done. Orange is done. Now we're going to go to white and red. Here we go. Now edge pairing. Maybe free slice on M. That's just kind of how I learned it. So that's what I'm used to. I've done some solves doing it on the E layer, but just couldn't get used to it. Where's that other edge? Here it is. I'd like to say I'm pretty quick on 5x5 now. Now I'm averaging under a minute. But I'm nowhere near the big dogs who are averaging like under a minute, which is just absolutely insane. And this is actually a very good solve that's going on right now, so I'm going to be quiet. because if I'm not quiet, I may miss something, which I already missed something right there, because I'm not shutting up, and I really should be. If I can get a PLO, I know that'd be great. J-Perm. That was actually very good. 131.36. My PB singles are 123.60. You can see that by clicking the link in the description. You can see all my PBs for all WCA events except for feet and blind and one-handed. Basically just the standard puzzles. So like 2x2 through 7x7. Like Mega Minx, Pyraminx, Cube, Clock, Square One. You won't see any OH stalls, blinds, or feet or FMC at all. So here we go. I think I'll do red center. I'm going to do red center. What I'm going to start off with is red center, and red center's done. I'm going to move on to orange, which I can do a little flip there. And I think I'll move on to white now. There we go, and now I'm going to move on to blue. These edges are falling together remarkably well. Oh, that was a complete center edge broke. Complete edge I just broke up there. Here we go. Here we go, on the 3x3 stage of another, what I believe to be pretty decent solve. If last layer goes well, this will be U-Perm. 140.71. So, another good one. This one's going remarkably, this average is going remarkably better than the first take. I actually got like a 150 something, and then like a 20 something. I think it was like a 205. So yeah. I mean, I got a 131, so obviously I'm not going to be changing the video here, and that orange center is almost complete. Orange center already done. These edges are going super well. I got parody. That probably killed what would have been a super good solve. I mean, this solve still can be pretty good, and it's not PB pace. My edge, for my PB single, my Wow, come on. M slices. Crap, R perm. I don't know R. I know, Y2 go in the last layer, I don't care. I'm actually faster, it'd actually be faster for me to do a Y2 than a U2, because I know how it's gonna go. So that was a 141.03, so still a good one. So yeah, this average is going super well. Still got 2 solves to go. I really love 5x5 though. I really enjoy it now. I mean, I really enjoyed 5x5 before, but now I really like it. It's so much fun. I have such a good time in doing it. And I'm going to start with yellow, because I already know how to make a 2x3 block here. Unless I can start with red. I think I'll start with red. There we go. Even faster 2x3 block. Orange centers going pretty well too. So here we go. Nope, gotta flip that around. And so forget if I finished what I'm saying about my PB single, but in my PB single solve, I was done with centers and edges and on to 3x3 stage at 58 seconds. Which I still don't know how I did it. It all happened so quickly. But, yeah, that's kind of how that went down. And that was not how you build that pair. Crap, I'm not getting very good F2L cases at all. Got an easy OLL and an A perm. And a U3 to end at 144.38. This is a really good average. 142.045 average is the slowest it will be. But I don't think it'll be much faster than that. I don't think it's fast enough to be in the 130s unless I get like a 132 or something, or another 131, or even just like 132 or faster. I think could not get into the 130s, because it would knock out that 144 and have a 141, a 140, and then a counting 131. That all depends, and wow, I have a very, very easy first center. I know I'm pausing a lot. There we go. Nope, that's not the right edge. Here, put that here, put that down there. Crap, parity. Will I be able to salvage it? Will I be able to salvage a possible sub 140 average? No. G-perm that I don't know. 142,857. That makes a 141,535 average of 5. Go down. You can look down in the description for a Google spreadsheet of all my PBs, singles, and averages up to 1,000 on all WCA puzzles. Drop a like, leave a comment, drop a sub if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. Elliot Ash is signing out. Adios.